Here's my breakfast this morning. Some Moore's Pro Meal Bar with peanut butter, my Carnation Instant Breakfast with my French vanilla latte, and my super greens. I'm gonna have some coffee with hot chocolate, and then my vitamins, which is a fish oil, multivitamin, turmeric, and my B12. And I just boiled my water, but got a pretty nice looking sunrise coming up. Looks really pretty. The moon is still out. So pretty. Time to put everything away. This pad did awesome. Oh my gosh. And it blows up pretty easy. Getting started on the trail right on time. It was a little chilly. I mean, it was 50, but it felt kind of chilly. I guess it's pretty windy up here. There was a lot of I don't know if they were teenagers or really young college kids. A bunch of them, probably like 30. And so they were kind of up pretty late. They weren't too bad, I guess. A little talkative, but I still slept pretty good. Anyway, head out today. We're going to what is the second shelter on this trail. I think it's called Buttercup or Butter something. So I think we're doing about another 11 miles. Maybe it's 12. I'm not even 100% sure. But anyway, I'm going to go find some water and then, yeah, hike. There's the trail. I love it when you can see the trail like that. Dusty's way down there. There's this really nice piped spring. It's off a side trail from the Art Loeb. Just maybe 3/10 of a mile, 2/10 of a mile. It's really nice, cold water. So I went ahead and filled up with my water for the day because there's not any water sources along the trail other than at the first shelter I'll come to, but you have to kind of go off the trail, behind the shelter. So I just figured I might as well get it now, and that's really good water too. So, and then the nice thing is there's a parking lot here that I have to walk a little ways, and there's a restroom, so I can go to the restroom. Yay! See? Bathrooms, yay! I have to walk along this road for just a minute, get back to the trail. Alright, back on the Art Loeb. It's a neat little area. Alright. There's a lot of people camping through here. This is a camping area. seen a few white blazes, but I've seen a lot of these like white circles. There's a view. A little bit of one. It's pretty. Oh, now I know what this white circle was. It's the mountains to sea trail. That's so cool. I guess I go this way to the Loeb Trail. Yeah. Tara Dower holds the fastest known time record for the Mountains to Sea Trail. Y'all might know her, but she has a YouTube channel. It's Tara Treks. But I mean, it's pretty cool. She did 29 days. That's like 1,100 something miles. I mean, that's crazy. I will be doing no FKTs in my lifetime, and that's okay. I have no idea what road this is. One thing that this trail is definitely not short of is campsites. There's plenty of pretty nice campsites to stay at. I've come to this intersection here. Looks like there's a trail over there. The blaze is right there, so I think I go that way. So that was Far Low Gap Trail Junction. That's nice. That tree's really pretty. Oh, I'm coming up on the first shelter. I forgot the name of it. Oh, there's people. Try not to get a minute. Oh, this is pretty neat. What? Well, hello! I caught you on camera. Look, it's the elusive Dusty. Look at this view. Taking a break here at this spot. Dusty's actually here too, but I won't put her on camera. She probably don't want to be on camera. I think we'll have some snacks while I lay here. This feels good. It's been a few ups today. It's been a little steep ups, but more down than up, but definitely rocky and stuff and rooty, so definitely a rugged trail. This is nice though, till the ants get in my hair as they crawl around. And the snacks today, this cashews, and I already had some of these things here. The only downside to these is they do melt. I guess it's the peanut butter. There's not really anything else in it besides seeds, nuts, and peanut butter. Hi there. Look at this ant trying to get that fly. Come on, buddy, you can do it. You can get it. Get that fly. I can't tell what he's doing. He was dragging it a minute ago.
He dragged it all the way from here.
Yeah, he was all the way. Oh, let me zoom out. He was all the way over there. And he came way over here. He's still trying to drag it. You can do it. You can do it. That ant with his fly was right there. And he's gotten all the way over to here. Look, and that was like, look, all I did was get my wipes out of my pack and wipe my pants off. And he that quickly. He's got him a buddy helping him now. They were kind of fighting a minute ago though. But now, I guess they're working together. Come on, you can do it, guys! Get your dinner! Well, this was our little lunch spot. Alright, back to hiking. This trail has a lot of little sections like this with lots of roots and some rocks that you have to kind of scramble down. So, it's definitely rugged. A lot of careful footing down this. A lot of holding on to roots too. I'll come to another section, but there's no blaze or sign. I mean, I'm gonna assume it's probably this way. There's actually even a campsite right there. Yeah, no blaze or anything. I'm gonna check my hiking project app, see if I'm going in the right direction. Yep, straight was the correct path. Don't know what that other trail was. I haven't seen any animals yet, except that bird. So, I don't know. I've been looking. Not even any deer or anything. Another road crossing. Look, that dead tree is smiling. I decided to stop on this rock and take another break for a minute. Way down there. I don't know if I'm headed that way or not. Got like a rock there. And there's the trail I just came from. This trail's wearing me out. We need a nap. Most of the trail has not been like this, but I've been too tired to film the hard stuff. Just with the heat, and it's been pretty steep. Well, this is Butter Gap, so I must be getting somewhat close to the shelter. I have made it. Oh look, there's bear cables. Oh, that's awesome. Hey, cool. And there's the shelter, which I will not be staying in. There's Dusty's tent up here, yay! So this is our campsite. And then down there is where you get the water. And this is part of the camp area. There's Dusty and Dusty's tent. And then here's my tent right here. And there's some more spots down there too. It's a pretty good size camping area. And I got my tent set up. I'll do a little reading here. I don't have a signal, so I can't call Jerry. So I may just do a little light reading. But I'm gonna go get some water and make my dinner here in a minute. It's pretty awesome. There's a pipe spring for the water. Boy, that shelter is run down. Tonight I am having pasta primavera. Zucchini, peas, carrots, peppers. That's pretty good. Let me show you what we hiked today. We started here at the Black Balsam Knob and then hiked all of this, and that goes this way here, and then come all the way down to here, Better Gap Shelter. So this is what's left tomorrow, this part here to the parking. And then this is what the elevation looked like today. So we hiked all of that to this second shelter here, and it looks like it's a lot of down. Like it didn't, like it looked like it wasn't going to be that bad, but it actually was. Honestly, there was a lot more up today than I had thought there would be. All right, well, I'm in my tent, and I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm probably gonna read a little bit here, and then turn in. And hopefully can get up early enough tomorrow. It looks like it's about 9 miles at the most tomorrow, maybe 8.5. So, hopefully it'll get done pretty quick. Because I'll have a 2.5 hour drive home, and I'll have to drop Dusty off at her car, so that's like an hour drive. So anyway, so I'm gonna say goodnight, and see y'all tomorrow.